Hello. Today I'm going to introduce to you an updated option in your JenesisNow software. We have added an option in location options to change the default for HO4 policies to renters rather than homeowners policies. Let's get started. From inside your JenesisNow dashboard, let's scroll all the way to the left vertical toolbar, go down to agencies and click on all locations. Once you click on all locations, select your agency location. Once inside this screen, let's go all the way to the right and scroll down until we see location options. To the bottom, second from the last, you'll see use renter policy type. If you are to toggle this option to on, you will now see any policies written as renters policies or HO4 as actual renters policies instead of homeowners. Let's go back and test this out. So let's select a client. I'm going to select Mr. Chris Kringle. And from inside my client's view, I'm going to go down to policies to the right side, click plus, and add a renter's policy. To do so, I can click on homeowners down here, or in the select component box, I can type in and select homeowners. Bottom right, click select. Once inside here, I'll add my policy information, starting with my policy number, the company or carrier the policy is written with, and any other information I would like to enter, making this policy an active policy. And then under homeowners, right below property listing, let's scroll over to the right, click the plus, and select the property form, which will be the HO4. I'll add the address 1234 Happy Lane and the rest of my information. Scroll down and click Save and Close. Once I've done all of this, let's go up to the top right and click Save Policy. If we go back to the area of homeowners policy and click the back arrow, you will now see that policy shows up as a renter's policy. Should you have any questions or concerns, at the bottom right of your screen is always the helpful support chat button, or all the way to the left, scroll down on your toolbar, the help option. I hope this helps. Thanks.